Supercharge your Kyza experience to get 3 times more engagement, leads and damp profits faster and easier with this Lite upgrade at 1.3 price. Our success matters to us, period. As a customer, you mean everything to us. You've had the chance to see the great power what Kyza holds for you, but we noticed you didn't take the opportunity to get Kyza Elite Edition. Maybe you don't need unlimited capacity for now, as you just started doing business online, or your business is in growing phase. Don't worry, whatever the reason may be, we're always here to help any way we can. That's why we're presenting this never-seen-before opportunity to get almost all the major benefits of the Elite Edition for a huge discounted price. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Let's have a look at the major features you'll be getting with the Kyza Lite upgrade, only today. Get 3 times more website visitors on your website, funnels and damp pages. Capture 3 times more potential buyer leads for your offers. Unlock 200 plus additional done-for-you templates to leave competition behind. Multiply your leads, sales and damp commissions by engaging visitors 360 degrees. Get media library for faster and damp optimized usage of your images and damp files. Beautiful exit and entry animation effects for max attention and damp clicks. Get your subscribers auto-registered for your webinars with webinar platform integrations. Completely no restrictions in managing multiple lists to give personalized touch to your every subscriber. Team management with rights control for up to 10 members. Get all these benefits at an unparalleled price. This is your only chance to get Kyza Lite features at a crazy low discounted. 200 more selected assortment of done-for-you templates. Landing pages. Webinar pages. Discount and damp promo pages. Affiliate pages. Coming soon pre-launch pages. Viral pages. Email newsletters. AI-enabled notification pop-ups. Header bar. Footer bar. Splash pop-ups. Lightbox pop-ups. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. In addition, we have several bonuses for those who want to take action today and start profiting from this opportunity. Bonus 1. Utilizing Facebook for your online business. Facebook helps people connect easily with your business. It offers some compelling methods for companies that wish to maximize their business reach. When used properly, it gives best results for your business. Keeping this in mind, here's an exclusive guide will let you how exactly Facebook works and helps small business become bigger than imagined through the power of social networking. Bonus 2. List Building Mojo. Interested in growing your list? Discover 100 techniques to inflame your list subscriber like specific date technique, JV discount technique, give it away technique, subscribe only technique, plenty of ways technique, and opt-in auction technique, etc. This is an enlightening report which discloses a closer look of list building that you need to know. Bonus 3. How to create a lead magnet. Lead magnet maximizes the number of targeted leads you are getting for an offer. You can also increase the number of prospects and customers you have joining your list. So, to help you make the most from this opportunity, this ultimate guide will help you find step-by-step tips for creating your lead magnet and make their best use to maximize your profits. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. And after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, the link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.